We mixed, okay. We took Pepsi and we mixed it with Jones Soda Coke carbonated candy green apple. And now it is so fizzy and bubbly that we have to burp all the time.
Wait for it. Oh, that one died. Smooth.
So glad there's not a vacuum cleaner there.
Never ending burps.
My tummy.
I know.
And it kills your tummy in the end.
Oh.
I'm gonna burp so much. Okay. Oh my god, vomit.
Ew, it just burped in my mouth. Wait for it, wait for it. Why are you biting my shoulder?
We have no time, bro.
Let's not even talk about that. Okay? Oh, ow, my chest hurts. Like my rib cage just like started. Heartburn! These are all really gay. I need to jump so that it just like. Oh! You made a noise, you missed it. Hey, wait. I need more. Hey, wait for it. Wait. I think there's more.
I think there's Imagine we did that the slider on. What push.
I'm almost gone. We're manly. We're manly women.
What's that?
Listen to it. Oh, the bottom really tastes like apples. Okay. Well, I think you've had enough of the burping fun. Okay, so thanks for watching.
Bye.